In front of me is Motorola Moto G56 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner, and to add an audio file, select Files. Then hit Audio at the top. Select one of your apps to find your file, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources and locate it here. Either way, after you find it, click on it to attach it. To add a video one, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Click on your video here to add it, or if you can't find it, select Folders, look for it here and tap on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!